Most lemonades are just water, sugar, and lemon, but in Algeria, a legendary drink called Cherbet breaks the rules. It's a bright, citrusy masterpiece with a creamy vanilla finish. Think lemon creamsicle. Today on Ooh La La, I'm giving you the exact measurements so you can try this perfect drink at home. Let's start by zesting 2 lemons. This is how the lemon should look after, and this is how much zest we got. Add the zest to a small saucepan, then add half a cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. Place it on a low heat and stir until the sugar is all dissolved. Cook this for about 10 minutes and then leave it to cool down. Let's juice our lemons. Use whatever tool you have to juice. We'll need about a half a cup of lemon juice. Grab a large pitcher or whatever you use to serve the juice and add 750 milliliters of cold water, a half a cup of milk, the half a cup of lemon juice, a half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and the filtered lemon zest syrup. Mix it well and place it in the fridge to chill. And there you have it, the perfect bridge from spring into summer. It's bright, floral, and, thanks to the exact measurements, guaranteed to be refreshing every time. Don't forget to like this video if you want more precise recipes like this one, and join the Ooh La La community by hitting subscribe. Cheers!